lesson 4 of our Photoshop for Beginners Masterclass. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to my channel. And if you are old here, thanks so much for clicking this video. In today's masterclass, we are going to learn how to create this church flyer. Let's dive in. The first thing we are going to do is to open our Photoshop. So I'll open my Photoshop, I'll go to File, and I'll select New Document. Okay, so I want to work with 8 by 10 inches. So I'll still write it again. And my measurement, I want it in inches. Alright, and I'll click on Create. So I'm going to start by first unlocking my background. So I'll double click on my background to unlock it. The first thing I'm going to do is to create my background, and I want to use gradient overlay. So I'll come under my layer panel, this is my layer panel, and I'll come to FX and I'll look for gradient overlay. So I'll select it, and then I'm going to choose a gradient I'm going to work with. So I want the blending mode as normal, my opacity I'll leave it as 100, and my gradient, so this is why I'm going to change my gradient. But the style, I want it radical, so I'll choose radical, and I'll select inside my gradient. So I'm going to choose the color I want to work with. So I'll click here, and then so I'm picking my color. So I'll click OK if I'm okay with this, and I'll double click here, or I'll click here to open, and then I look for a white color here. But then let me go back. I think I have, okay, let me add reverse. Okay, let me tick on reverse so that I can reverse the gradient here. I want the lighter side to come in the middle. So let me reverse. Alright, there we go. So I'll go inside and I'll correct my gradient well. So my gradient, let me adjust. Alright, let me make this more deeper. Okay, I'll click on OK, and now I can just drag it on my, I can drag to position my gradient very well, okay, with my mouse too, okay, with my mouse. So I'll just drag up. I'm just dragging it up, and then the scale is 150, is too much, so let me decrease so I can have the circle well. Okay, so I think this is good. So I'll press OK. Alright, and then the next thing I'm going to do is to bring my images onto my Photoshop. So with the images, I'm going to bring my images onto my workspace. So I'll click on File Explorer, and then I'll drag my first image. So I'll drag. Alright, let me position it well. And then let me cut out the down because I won't need it. Okay, to make my work more easier. I'm going to leave the resource in the description. So if you need a resource, go to the description of this video and you get it. So I want to cut, so I'll rasterize, I'll right click, I'll go to rasterize layer, and I'll look for my rectangle. I'll look for my rectangle margin 2, okay, and then I'll cut it out. So I'll press my backspace or my delete, to take it out, and I'll deselect by pressing Ctrl D to take out the alignment here, okay, the line here. So I'll press Ctrl D to deselect the selection. Alright, and I'll press V to select my move tool. So I'll bring the next image onto my workspace. That is Pastor Chris.